Hi everyone, Melissa here from Creative Memories Home Office. Today I'm going to show you how to create a scrapbooking border using the Gallivant Collection and the Jumbo Jet Border Maker cartridge. We are also going to be using the 12-inch trimmer along with your tape runner, foam squares, and repositionable adhesive. We are going to start by cutting a piece of the navy cardstock using the 12-inch trimmer to measure 2.5 inches wide by 12 inches in length. Next, we are going to cut a piece that measures 2 inches wide by 12 inches in length using the white map patterned paper. Using the trimmer, we are going to also cut a piece from the red patterned paper to measure 1 inch by 12 inches. Placing the navy cardstock in the original border maker system, we are going to cut or punch a 12-inch border using the Jumbo Jet Border Maker cartridge. We are going to punch a second Jumbo Jet border using the gray patterned paper. We are going to adhere the red piece of paper behind the white piece of paper so that about 1/4 inch of the red shows below the white. Once you have these two pieces adhered, we will adhere it to the front of the navy cardstock. Using the arrow border sticker from the Gallivant sticker sheet, we are going to adhere that along the top edge of the white paper. We are going to apply the repositionable adhesive to the back side of the navy blue Jumbo Jet border. We are going to apply that border to the lower edge of the white patterned paper. Next, we are going to apply the repositionable adhesive to the back of the gray Jumbo Jet border. If you have any adhesive that is left behind on your surface, all you need to do is lightly rub and wipe away. We are going to adhere this border to the top of the previous border, leaving about 1/4 inch overlay. Next, we are going to cluster a few of the embellishments, layering them with foam squares. Apply the gems to the front of the border and then place this border on any 12-inch scrapbook layout. And don't forget to share your finished scrapbooking project with us on any of our social channels using #CreativeMemories.